Before we start either vehicle, we're going to want to make sure that we have all of our accessories turned off. Radio, AC, and anything else that may be connected to the electrical system. We're going to attach positive on our running vehicle to positive on our non-running vehicle. Make sure they're secure. Make sure nothing can get in the way. We're going to take our negative to our running vehicle. On our stalled vehicle, we're going to want to find a good ground. We can put it here. We can put it over here. Anything other than the battery. When you hook it up to the battery, there's gas fumes, could cause a spark, could ignite and explode the battery. This seems to be a great place right here. We're going to start our running vehicle. We're going to let it run for about